Buying a home is a thrilling milestone. It's where you build your future and likely the most expensive purchase you'll ever make. But once the keys are in hand, a flurry of questions usually follows. One we hear constantly at Dalinghaus Construction is, how long does it take for a house to settle? Knowing the ins and outs of this process is critical to keeping your home sturdy and safe. Today we're going to discuss what settling actually entails, the timeline you should expect, and how to handle any bumps along the way. When we say a house is settling, we're talking about a natural process where the building gradually adjusts to its foundation and the soil beneath it. It involves slight movements as construction materials like wood and concrete find their stable position. While some movement is totally expected, the key to distinguishing between uniform settling, where the whole house moves together, and differential or uneven settling, which can cause underlying issues. We can break down the timeline into 3 distinct stages. Phase 1, initial settling. This is the most significant phase. Materials like wood and drywall are acclimating to the environment. You'll likely see minor cosmetic signs, hairline cracks, slight door misalignments, or small gaps in the molding. Phase 2, ongoing settling. The process continues, but at a much slower pace. The house is still finding its seat with the soil. Minor shifts here are usually not a cause for concern, but regular maintenance is a good habit to start now. Long term. By now, the process has significantly slowed down and most homes are stable. However, external factors like a neighbor's new construction or changing climate can still influence your home's position. Not every house settles the same way. Why? It comes down to 4 main factors. Soil composition. Clay-rich soils are the divas of the dirt world. They expand and contract with moisture, leading to more movement. Sandy soils are generally more stable. Foundation type. Slab foundations typically experience less settling than homes with basements or crawl spaces. Climate. Heavy rain, flooding, or intense seasonal temperature swings can cause the soil to expand and contract more noticeably. Construction quality. Simply put, well-constructed homes using proper techniques and materials are less likely to have significant issues. So, when is it time to stop calling it natural settling and start calling a professional? Large cracks. Vertical cracks are often cosmetic, but horizontal or diagonal cracks can signal serious structural trouble. Sticking openings. If doors and windows suddenly become a struggle to open or close, your frame might be shifting. Uneven floors. If you feel a slope or an unevenness underfoot, it's time for an inspection. Gaps. Look for spaces opening up between your molding, trim, and walls. You don't have to just sit back and watch. Here's how you tackle settling like a pro. Inspect regularly. Document new cracks or shifts so you can show a contractor later if needed. Seek assessments. If you see large cracks or uneven floors, get a structural engineer or foundation specialist to evaluate the extent of the damage. Preventative maintenance. Simple fixes like caulking minor cracks or managing your home's water, keeping gutters clean, and ensuring the landscape slopes away from the foundation can prevent major headaches later. Reinforcement. In severe cases, we use techniques like underpinning to add support and stabilize the house. Every home will settle. That's just a fact of construction. But by staying proactive and keeping an eye on the signs, you can ensure those minor shifts don't turn into expensive repairs. At Dalinghaus Construction, we're homeowners too, and we understand the concern. We're here to serve Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada with a focus on education, not just for sales. We want to solve your foundation problems once and for all. Give us a call today for a free evaluation. Let's make sure your home stays on solid ground forever. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.